Hello, my students of class 3. See, this is our India, and India is our country. We love it so much. Hello, my students of class 3. See, this is our India. India is our country, and so we love it so much. But not only that, it is so beautiful among all the countries of world. So we love it so much. Varieties of natural differences available here, as well as variety of people, languages, cultures, religions, festivals are available only here. So today we will see how there is diversity in India and then how we are united. That is our lesson number 12, unity in diversity. Indian culture we are looking here. Road ahead. India is a country of rich culture where people of different religions live together. It is this diversity which makes our country different from other countries. Let us learn more about its culture. India is a land of unity in diversity. It is a diverse country where people of many religions live together peacefully with their own separate cultures. Culture is a broad term which means the way of behaving with others. Our ideas, our customs, arts, handicrafts, food habits, festivals, music, and dance. People of different religions follow different cultures. Some of the religions practiced in our country are Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and Zoroastrianism. The official language of India is Hindi. Besides Hindi, hundreds of other languages are also spoken in our country. Indians are always known for their mild and gentle behavior. Our country is a land of rich cultures where people have humanity, tolerance, unity, secularism, and a strong social bond. Our culture always teaches us to behave well, respect elders, care for helpless people, and help the needy and poor people. Some of the special features of our rich culture are worshipping God, keeping fast, and offering water to the sun god, Surya Namaskar. Then touching the feet of elders in family and taking their blessings. Greeting others by holding of both hands together as Namaskar, which means I bow to the divine in you. Indian families are closely knit with many family members living in the same house. The grandfathers, fathers, son, and grandsons share the same spirit, tradition, and property, doing yoga and meditation. Welcoming guests like God, we believe in Athithi Deva Bhava. Guest is our God. Even after so much diversity, we all are united as citizens of India. We should be proud of our rich culture and stand united like this always. Reflection of this lesson is we may celebrate our individual religion, cultures, and diversities, but as a country and its citizens, we always stand united. Some words are there making it simple meanings. Diversity means variety, difference, gentle, kind, friendly. Humanity means quality of being caring about the feelings of others. Tolerance to put up with secularism, treating people of different religions equally. Meditation, think deeply about a moral or religious topic. Tick the correct option and fill in the blank. In India, people of different religions follow different cultures. The official language of India is Hindi. We touch feet of elders to take their blessings. We believe in Athithi Devo Bhava, that is, in welcoming guests. As a country and its citizens, we always stand united. So this was the lesson, and read 2 times loudly. Then take the correct option and fill in the blanks. Important for exam. So bye. Have a nice day.